HealthTech Ghana Limited, in collaboration with the Philips Ghana team, has successfully completed the installation of the Philips DigitalDiagnost C90 X-ray system at the Korle-Bu Polyclinic. This was the state of the X-ray room before HealthTech Ghana Limited remodeled it. To ensure optimal performance and safety, we carried out a full renovation of the room, creating a conducive space for the machine and the end users to work in. We also installed a 120 kVA UPS to ensure that the new X-ray system receives smooth, uninterrupted power supply. With advanced image processing and intuitive workflow tools, the system enhances diagnostic accuracy, reduces patient waiting time, and improves overall care delivery. We have also provided training for their clinicians to confidently operate the system, streamline workflow, and achieve faster, more accurate diagnoses.
So today we had a session on the training on the Philips C90 1.1 machine, and it's really a good machine. The training went on so smoothly, and I think with the machines that Philips are creating, it will make diagnostics in radiography very simple, and I hope they will keep up with their top-notch works they are doing. Thank you.